video 2. This is video 2.
Welcome to Rutgersfest! Oh shit! Oh, stop it!
Yo, they got a weird ass bathroom. Look at that bathroom.
Damn, yo!
All the girls standing in the line.
Look at him.
Yo, pop bottles. Line that baby line.
What are you looking at, punk ass? Yeah. I did like one song.
Yo, just song. Yo,
Yeah.
We're on, what do you call it? What road is this? Joyce Kilmer? Joyce Kilmer Road. We're like at the start of it.
On the side of the road.
No. We're at the opposite of a party.
She's so... It sucks. It sucks.
It's all good.
It's all good, cause...
Yeah, we heard.
He did like one song, didn't he? Me either. I don't care that much.
Glad you're having fun while we're stuck at the side of the road. This is Carolina. Say hi to the camera. Hold on.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey, my voice is gone.
This is video 2.
Oh man, and this nigga's trying to get in a fight. Oh my god.
What?
Are you kidding me?
Whoa! See that?
Whoa!
I'm sorry.
Do you know who's here right now?
No one. I'm by myself. I'm by myself.
Fuck this bitch. Look at this Asian dude. What the fuck are you looking at? Kevin O, piece of shit looking bitch.
That bitch got Pikachu in the front seat.
Kevin O, it's okay. I love you. It's just, he looked like you so much. It's a poser. It's a Kevin O poser.
Kevin.
He's a Kevin No. Bitch.
Weird. Gotta keep that energy up throughout the day.
Alright, we gotta end this shit. Video 3 will come soon.
Like 2 minutes.
Like, yeah, 2 minutes.